everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to download Solflare Wallet application on your mobile device. To download the Solflare Wallet on mobile device, first of all go ahead and open your Google Play Store or your App Store. Now go to the search box at the top and type in Solflare and search. Look for this application that says Solflare Solana Wallet. The Solflare is a popular digital wallet designed specifically for interacting with the Solana blockchain. It allows users to store, send, receive, and manage Solana-based tokens, including Sol and other Solana program library. The application is available for your PC as well as your mobile devices. To start downloading the app, tap on the Get button and within a few minutes, you will be able to install the app on your mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.